first of all, I would like to pay my highly respected teacher, Tada, Director of the International School. Today, I am going to talk about my house. Before I begin greeting introduction, my name is Butha. I am 13 years old. I am a student and studying English at the International School. I live in Sai Valley, Pray Chow, Ham Yong, Bung Valley, Stray, Pray Bay, Proving. Back to our topic. My house has 2 floors. First floor is stone, second floor is wood. First floor is hell a color and second floor house is blue color. In the house, in the house have TV, but sadly is broken. In front of the door have 2 big chairs, 2 faucets and relax. There are have natural plants around my house and I love natural. The end of that all I have baby for all friends and teacher Tada, give good luck, good health and good all the time. Thank you for listening. Thank you very much. Goodbye.